Hi guys, today I'm going to make sure that you understand how to sign up for Room Sketcher. And if you're already signed up, today I'm going to show you how to sign back into your account. So you're going to go into Google Classroom. And in Google Classroom, click on Explorations Academy, not Makerspace. Then if you'd like to find the Google slide, you can either go to Stream or Classwork. So if you're looking for the Google slide on Stream, you're going to scroll down. Here's your requirements for your floor plan. Just ignore this problem with a classmate, ignore the Explorations Academy evaluation. You can click on Interior Design. You can also get there quicker by going to Classwork and clicking Interior Design. So I'm going to click on the Google slide, and it says sign up for Room Sketcher. Click here. I'm going to click there, click on the link, and I'm already signed up, so that's why it had me go in, but it's going to bring you to this page that says sign up. You're going to type in your email address. Please make sure whatever your email address is that you double check it and it is correct. Your school email address ends with stlpcs.org. Again, it is at stlpcs.org, not Gmail, not .com. So please make sure you're typing in the correct email address, okay? So then you're going to make a password for yourself. You cannot use any illegal characters, so you can only use letters and numbers. Only letters and numbers can be used for your password. When it goes to what you will use Room Sketcher for, click on Interior Design and then click Sign Up. Once you click Sign Up, it's going to go to this page that says Confirm Email. It says, we have sent you a confirmation code by email. That means you need to go into your email, your school email, to find the code or click on the verification link. So I'm going to go into my email, and I'm going to click this Gmail here. Okay, let's see. Oh, Room Sketcher. Okay, find Room Sketcher. It says confirm email. And I can either copy and paste this code here, or I can click on this link. So I'm just going to click on the link, and it's going to bring me into my account. If you are already signed up on Room Sketcher, then this is what it's going to bring you into as well. So once you confirm your email, you're going to click on New Project, then draw it yourself. Make up any project name you want. So I'm going to make up the name, let's say Explorations Academy. I'm going to click the Create button. And then over here, I'm going to go to Edit in Web Version. You see Edit in App, Edit in Web Version, Upgrade Project, More. Click on Edit in Web Version. When you click that, there's probably going to be something that comes up that says Enable Flash. You need to click the Enable Flash button, then click Allow, then click Reload. Again, you're going to click Enable Flash, Allow, then Reload. Then it's going to bring you to your interior design. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make some walls. So you're going to click on Walls over here, and then click on the thick walls, because these are going to be your outside walls. You're going to create 4 walls together. So you're going to drag it and click, drag and click where you want it to end. Oh. Sometimes you kind of have to play around with it. If you do it wrong, down here is this undo button. So I'm going to click that to undo. So I'm going to click the thick wall again, drag it up and click, then click where I want it to start, drag it across, click. Oh, it didn't click. There we go. Click, and then click again, and click again. Now that I have 4 walls drawn, it has popped up with a floor. So if I want to change my floor, I'm going to go down to Materials, and I just choose whatever floor I want, drag it, and drop it, okay? Your walls, if you want to delete them, you have to click this arrow, click on the wall you want, and then you can delete it there. If you want to undo, press that undo button again, then choose a wall. If you want to make your room bigger, choose a wall and drag it to make it bigger, okay? Down here are your materials, windows, doors, and then furniture to add in.